3, 2, 1.
Good day everyone, Garage King here, and welcome to the Snap-on Flyer of the Month episode. This is the September 2022 Flyer of the Month. Welcome to the Jungle. I would sing you the Welcome to the Jungle song, quite fitting, but I don't want to get a copyright infringement, so you know what, why don't we just move on. Now, meet the king. So they got some fancy limited edition toolboxes, but as always, there's no price, which means see your dealer, which means see your bank. So anyway, those are going to be very expensive, so we'll just leave those. Although I do like this side piece. I do really like that, but just not in the cards for me, So let's keep moving on. All right, first, we do have this special tool. It comes with a special Snap-on price of $176.50. Now, this one's a pretty big multi-tool. It's got a lot of things on it. Now, I shouldn't say big multi-tool, but what I meant is that it just has a lot of things going for it. It's got the light. It's got another light there. It's got USB for charging. It's got just tons of good things. And it's even got like a flex head design. So, I mean, it's kind of a cool thing. But anyway, let's keep moving on. Side cutters. So wire cutters or side cutters, they are on sale. Now, these are awesome. I have a set and I use them all the time. Let me see if I can try to find you a clip. Okay, ready?
Going, yeah.
Let's try my Snap-ons. I guess the Snap-ons is good. So there is the price. I'm going to pan in for the price just so you can see all the prices. So there is the price. So, I mean, they are discounted a little bit, but I can say I actually own these and really like them. And as you see, they are really good. So let's move on. Oh, sorry about that. Stuff on the bottom. See, I was so excited about these, I forgot all about these. So we have 7-piece. It's a Blue Point one. That's $127. And then we have another one here, a 10-piece miniature set, and that's $166. And it's by Blue Point, which means it's not made by Snap-on. It's made by someone else. But anyway, I was so intrigued with these ones. Sorry, I almost forgot about those. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, next page. Let's keep moving. So we have some lights. I see lights in every flyer, and I don't know why. These are 14.4 volt lights. And then down here, we have 18 volt lights. So these ones are much brighter. These ones here, I think they're $125 each. I think that's what that says there. Yes, $125 each. Pick your poison, pick whichever one you want. These ones, as you can see, let's just pan back up. You can see there's the prices, $120, $135, and $102. So they're all around the same price range, just depending what you want. And you know what? I'd be curious. Is there a difference between the 18 volts and 14.4? Like I know there's a difference, but is there a noticeable difference? Has someone actually upgraded? That's what I would like to see or hear about. So if you've upgraded and noticed a big difference, please let me know. I'd be interested to hear. Anyway, next page, tell us about this. So basically, you can get $3,000 if you write about your dream tool and Snap-on builds it. So if you got a really unique idea and you write about it, send it into Snap-on and you may get an extra paycheck. Okay, let's move on. So we have bright little lights. So these are tiny lights. Again, what's with all the lights this month? Anyway, I don't know. This one is kind of interesting. It goes around your head. I think it's $109. Yeah, that's the one there. It's regular 122. It's on for 109. So this one I think is kind of interesting because I might actually use it. It would wrap around, and whenever I'm under a vehicle, a lot of times on my back, the light is never in the right place. And then here you can see here's another light, another light, another light, and another light. So they got tons of lights, and I'm just going to pan down here just for the price so we can go a little bit quicker on the video, just so I don't spend a whole bunch of time talking. Just so you can see what the flex light is worth, $195, and then 300 lumen rechargeable aluminum pen light, $100. And then the 10-watt mini floodlight, $142. And of course, you can get them in different colors. So that is the lights. Now let's see what we have next. Trade up to Bolt Bustin' Braun. Okay, so 1/2 inch again, 18 volt Snap-on is pushing the electrical stuff again. If anyone knows who actually makes these impacts, please let me know, because I wonder who builds these tools. Or maybe it is Snap-on themselves, but I don't know. I don't think Snap-on builds them, but anyway. So these aren't really on sale. What they're doing is they're guaranteeing you a trade-in. That's what they're doing on these tools. They're just guaranteeing you a trade-in. And there you can see is the price. So $825 and $950. Quite a bit of money for these ones, but anyway, you're guaranteed a trade-in, and there's the torque specs if you want, if anyone cares. All right, next page. This is what every mechanic loves and hates at the same time. When a bolt breaks, what do you do to get it out? So damaging fasteners. Ain't no thing. Okay, so first things first, I actually would really like to get the Master Rethreading tap and die set. It's just handy dandy, and I don't have one. I have a bunch of taps and dies, but not like this, not like a rethreader kit, so I don't have anything like that. This one here, I don't know how much you would use it. I don't usually use a lot of extractor sets. It is on sale. It's $200 and $39. So $239, I don't know. You decide. Now these ones are a little bit more interesting. You can't see them the way they're pictured in the flyer, I guess, but they look like these. And these ones I use all the time. And you know, they barely ever wear, and I've like really reefed on them with a hammer and stuff like that. You can actually see where the tool marks are for the hammer, but these come in handy for getting off like lug bolts and stuff like that. So these are good. This one obviously isn't a snap-on. There's the price for the snap-on set. It's $271.95. So the snap-on one is definitely not cheap. And then you can see they have some tap sockets and stuff like that. So anyway, that is those. And here we have a 19-piece extractor set. But it's a Blue Point, so it's not a snap-on. It's $200. So anyway, your call. The only thing I really use is, like I said, I use these things. And actually, you know what? There's a different style I have too, which is like this. And it's just reverse threads. So you just whack it on, use your 1/2-inch impact, and this one works pretty good as well. So those are the two different styles, but Snap-on is selling this style. So anyway, let's move on. Don't want to waste any more of your time. All right, so here we have, what is this, like borescopes or something like this? Yeah, so we're looking at scopes. Now, the problem I see with this page, everybody, is there's no prices. So when there's no prices, it means too much money, even for Garage King. So there's the ones they're advertising. Too much coin. What do we got here? Cutting crew stuff. So we just got some plasma cutters. Again, no price. Talk to your dealer. They're going to be fairly expensive. And lastly, hammers. They're giving some information about a hammer, but there is, if you waited till the end, you can get a free hoodie when you buy 2 ratchets. So right now they got that going on. So sorry for the focus there. So you can get a Snap-on burnout hoodie when you buy a pair of 1/4 and 3/8 drive ratchets. So, and it doesn't really matter. Chrome, high visibility, red, green, whatever. They don't care. So you got to buy 2 ratchets and you get a hoodie. So that was the deal at the end. Anyway, that's it for this month's flyer. Hopefully you guys all have a good one and enjoy your weekend. Thanks, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye.